I don't have a teacher.
Or OT day.
Job training, JT.
What?
Good on that.
Gotta be the metal.
I think it's about right.
Huh? No, it's just.
After you get that out. Back it on up.
About there?
Yeah. So basically what we've done here is OSB, the top of this mobile home. As you can see, we pop lines just so we know where everything is, outside edges. We pop the lines on the metal to find out yeah, that cannot fall now.
Come on, get on the ball. Move this down. Four. Yeah, yeah. Did not.
He really did.
You need 6 inches.
6 right there. A little bit more than 6 actually.
I like it on this end. Silent videos.
You got your chop box on here? Up here, Bill?
No, will you go get the chop box, Bill, please? Hey.
24. Chop box. 24. We don't count sprinkles.
No. We got some rubber on it now. All we gotta do is glue it down. Oh, I was gonna say give her a little piece. Sounds good, man. I mean, you're covered in it. I don't care if it poured. You would be in the dry right now.
Yeah, I'm very satisfied.
You will be next time it rains real hard. You'll love it.
Well, once I get the gutters in and stuff, see, I'm gonna have them like come down to here because I'm gonna need one for here because when the wind blows, it will blow it off that way. So I'm gonna get them.
Where we start off at? Andrew, wave at me.
Drew. Yeah, dude. Another satisfied customer.
Bill.